Morning, children. Today again we will continue with the same chapter, the Chinese civilization. Occupation. Agriculture. In early Chinese history, agriculture was the main occupation of the people. They grew rice, wheat, millet, barley, and soya bean. At first, Chinese cultivated tea for medical purposes and later as a popular drink. Sericulture. Sericulture is the breeding of silkworms for the production of silk. The Chinese were the first to make silk cloth, and Chinese silk was world famous and was the chief item of export during the ancient and medieval ages. The art of silk remained a Chinese secret till the 5th century BCE. The Chinese guarded the secret very closely from all quarters. Silk production and trade remained in the sole hands of the Chinese for a very long time. Domestication of animals. The Chinese domesticated horses, cattle, sheep, pigs, dogs, and poultry. They used horses and horse-drawn carts as a means of transport, and the other animals were a source of food, clothing, and companionship. The Chinese developed the art of making exquisite porcelain types of pots, and they decorated pots with colorful designs. They were first to make vases, jars, cups, saucers, and bowls. These were provided with a fine and glossy finish which was very smooth to touch. Woodwork. China had vast resources of timber. Chinese used wood on a large scale for the construction of buildings. They made cabinets. The walls of palaces were made of polished wood. Script in early China. Pictography. The Chinese script is a form of picture writing. Each picture represents an idea. The Chinese language does not have any alphabet. There were about 40,000 word pictures, making the script complex and difficult. Material used for writing. Chinese began writing their picture words on bamboo and silk slips in upward down stroke. They used a fine brush made of camel hair for writing. Only rich and elite knew how to read and write. Chinese script was very difficult and complex, made it hard to people learn on their own. Architecture in China. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was built by Emperor Shi Huangdi. It is one of the most impressive of Chinese architectural accomplishments. It is about 2,400 kilometers long and varies in height from 4.5 meter to 9 meter. This wall forms the northern boundary of China. It was built across mountains, deserts, and plains. There are 10,000 watchtowers at regular intervals along the wall. It was built to protect the China from the frequent attacks of barbarians. Major inventions in Chinese history. Paper. In the 1st century CE, the Chinese started using fishing nets, old rags, and bark of old trees to make paper. The Europeans learned how to make paper from the Chinese in 8th century CE. Block printing. The art of block printing was invented by the Chinese. Carving was done on pieces of wood, and the raised surfaces were dipped in ink and pressed onto paper for printing purpose. The Chinese started printing books in the 9th century CE. Chinese calendar. Chinese calendar was capable of doing solar and lunar calculations. It showed 12 months and 365 days in a single year. They used lunar and solar calendars. Eclipses of both the moon and the sun could be predicted with the help of this calendar. Seismograph. The seismograph was invented in 132 AD. It was invented in the ancient China during the Han Dynasty. It was invented to keep track of the earthquakes that occurred in China. Astronomical clock. Astronomical clock was invented for the Emperor of China, featuring a design involving a chain drive mechanism added to a water powered clock. It told the time of day as well as the day of the month and the phases of the moon.